Welcome to the Stevenson University Library's Research Skills Tutorials. I'm your librarian guide, and today we'll explore the important topics of academic integrity and responsible research. Let's begin with citations. Imagine a room filled with style guides and reference materials. Why do we cite sources? It's not just about avoiding plagiarism. It's about being a responsible, professional researcher. Now, let's move to our ethical use station. Here we have a presentation on 3 key ways to use information ethically. Summarize. Condense information into a briefer form. Paraphrase. Express ideas in your own words. Quote. Use the author's exact words. Remember, even when using these methods, proper citation is still essential. Next, we're entering our copyright corner. Picture a space with legal books and multimedia displays. Copyright is a fundamental concept that affects both your academic and personal life. It gives creators exclusive rights to reproduce, publish, sell, distribute, or perform their work. But wait! There's an important exception called fair use. Imagine a balance scale in the center of the room. Fair use allows limited use of copyrighted material without needing to get special permission. Using copyrighted works for educational purposes, such as teaching a class or writing an academic paper, almost always qualifies for fair use. Finally, let's visit our Creative Commons section. Here, you'll find information about licenses that allow creators to specify how others can use their work without individual permission. Creative Commons licenses make it easy to let people know what they can do with your work, like redistribute it and edit it, and what they can't do, like make money off it. As we conclude our tour, remember that our library offers various resources to help you navigate these topics. Check out our Citing Sources Guide and Copyright Guide for students for more detailed information. Remember, as researchers and content creators, it's our responsibility to respect intellectual property rights while engaging in academic discourse. For more information, watch the individual tutorials in our Use Sources Ethically series. Thanks for watching. Contact the library if you'd like assistance. If you'd like to share feedback on this tutorial, you can do so at the link or QR code on your screen.